In this video, I'm going to show you something really useful, especially if you are into dropshipping or thinking about starting an online store. It's a platform called Doba, and I think you are going to love what it can do for your business. In this video, I'll quickly explain what Doba is, how it works, and why it can save you a lot of time and effort. So make sure to watch till the end. This might be just what you need to grow your store. So what is Doba? Doba is a dropshipping platform that gives you access to over 700,000 products. These products come from trusted suppliers, many of them in the USA, which means faster shipping for your customers. The best part, Doba makes dropshipping super simple. You can find products, add them to your store, and when someone buys from you, Doba will ship the product directly to your customer, so you don't have to keep any stock or handle the shipping yourself. If you are using platforms like Shopify, Amazon, eBay, or Tik Tok Shop, Doba connect with all of them easily. So just with few clicks and your store is ready to go. They also help you find best-selling products, including high profit items and trending products on TikTok. So if you are not sure what to sell, Doba already has some great ideas ready for you. So whether you are just starting out or already running a store, Doba can save you time, reduce stress, and help you grow faster. Everything is in one place and it's made to be beginner friendly. Guys, it's super easy to use. All you need to do is you just need to go to Google and search for Doba and sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so you can click here on your name or this icon over here and go to my Doba like this, and you will be in this page over here. They have really a lot of tools that can help you grow your e-commerce business faster. They have AI tools also, so if you click here on AI tool, you will find those tools over here. If you scroll down, they have AI store builder. As you can see, if you don't have a store, you can just click on this one and AI will create a perfect done for you store. Okay, they have AI product finder and they have AI auto lister. Okay, if we also go over here to my products and we go to inventory list over here, we will find a lot of products here. As you can see, if I scroll down, so you can choose the product that you want to add to your store. For example, if I want to add this one, I can just select the product, click over here on list to store, and there you go. Doba will add this product to your store. Let's check this products. If you click on the product title over here, we will be directly in this product page. You can get here more details and info about the product. As you can see, the product, how many are in stock, it's shipping from United States, with the warehouse, and so much more, shipping cost, and so much more info about the product. Okay, and if we click over here on TikTok shop selections, let me show you guys. You guys can add or connect your TikTok shop with Doba. Okay, all you need to do, you can just click here on connect your TikTok shop. If you are using TikTok shop, just click on connect TikTok shop like this, and here you go. You can scroll here. Okay, you can click on connect and you can connect your TikTok shop with Doba. You can also connect your Shopify store, eBay, big commerce, Wix, and so much more, Amazon, WooCommerce, and more. Okay, as you can see, it's super easy. Just click on connect and follow just few steps and your store will be linked with Doba. Okay, and if you guys go to wallet over here, you guys also can connect and link your Pioneer account with Doba. Okay, you see this, you have this option. You can click on connect Pioneer account and you can add your Pioneer account to Doba. Okay, and if you guys go back to this product page over here, you also can download the detailed info of the product, such as image, description, price, will be downloading to your laptop. Okay, you can also list this product from here to your store, or you can add to cart, or you can view, click on view in inventory list, and you can add this product to your inventory list. Okay, it's super easy and it's simple. It will help you a lot, guys, to succeed in your e-commerce business. If you click over here, guys, on top ranking, you will find here top selling products. Okay, and if you scroll down, you will have a lot of products. You will get access to more data that will help you find winning products and grow your e-commerce business faster. Okay, so it's very helpful for people who want to start e-commerce business. You should start using and try Doba for your e-commerce business. It's gonna help you a lot. They have a lot of tools, a lot of info and access. You will get access to a lot of data that will help you grow faster. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed learning about Doba and how it can help you with your dropshipping journey, whether you are complete beginner just trying to get started, or someone who is already running an online store and looking to simplify your workflow. Doba can save you a lot of time, stress, and effort. With over 700,000 products, fast USA based shipping, and tools that make it super easy to find trending and profitable items, it's built to make your life easy. And the best part, everything is managed in one place: products, research, order, fulfillment, all handled inside Doba platform. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you will never miss new videos about making money online, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, and more. Also, leave a comment below and let me know, what do you think about Doba? Are you planning to try it? Do you have any question about how it works? I reply to every comment and I'd love to help you out. Thank you so much for watching again. I appreciate your time and support, and see you in my next video.